Hello viewers, so I hope you all are fine. So today I'm coming with a new video after a long time, especially related to the game development. The person who are interested in my game development, the playlist is available for you guys now. And now I'm thinking to create 1-2 videos, especially for the game development in a week. So today the package which we discuss in our video is none other than RCC controller. This is one of the popular controller for the any car game like car parking game, car racing game, car stunt game, any car related game. Mostly companies use RCC controller instead make a controller from scratch because this is easy to use. You can easily update this one. You can easily add your own cars, own models, and you can implement all the new functionalities using this RCC. So I will tell you each and everything related to the RCC controller. This is not for the commercial use. If you guys want to use RCC controller for commercial use, you have to purchase from the Unity Ace store. But I will provide you this controller on my GitHub, the link mentioned in my video description, so you guys can learn how the RCC controller works. If you find this one is okay, good for you, so you can purchase. So let's get started. If you guys didn't subscribe my channel, please go for it. So basically I import this package RCC controller. I will provide this package on my GitHub as well. So when you import your package, so in the project hierarchy it looks like this. There's one folder, realistic car controller v3, and if you expand this controller, so you can find multiple folders. Like, so you can go to the demo scene for learning point of view. So these are different scenes. RCC city. So this is a small town. RCC already provide. If you want to learn, look, buildings there, everything, roads, texture. So main thing which we have to discuss in this video is the settings. Like, suppose you are making a racing game, you are creating a simulator game, or if you are creating a drift game, or you are creating a game for the PC, so how you can change the functionality just with 1-2 clicks. So you have to go tools, point clicker games, realistic car controller, then edit RCC settings. Click on this, then click on the inspector. So if you guys come, so look, there are options for the general settings, with then behavior setting. These are the main settings. If you guys making game for the racing, press racing. If you are making game for drift fun, you can select whatever you like, and you can change the functionalities as well. Or if you are creating game for the especially for the mobile controller, just make sure you enable this one. If you disable this one, so by default the games come for the PC. So I will show you the example as well. So let's get started. So by default we selected the option for the PC game. So this UI automatically disappears. So camera functionality is already attached. AA car is also working in this. So this is a fun mode right now. So you can change the functionality whatever you like. Look. So this is a very useful controller. There's a damage option as well. If your car hit with something, so your car come damage. You can further see okay, now I will show you how you guys can add your own car in this. So basically these are the multiple car options already available. If you have to use this, so this is the latest version of RCC, so you can find multiple cars. I will disable this one so you can view properly. Okay, So these are multiple cars, and which is very cool as well. Sometimes I like this, like this one is good, Jeep is good, pickup car is also good. So you guys can use this car. You can change the functionalities of this car, like how this works, how much speed you require, downfall speed, maximum speed. You can change the settings in RCC car controller and just press this button, and you can change the sounds of the vehicle when the car start accelerating, these things. So I will provide you this package into my GitHub. You guys can, if you guys have any query, you can comment me on Instagram or you can comment me on YouTube video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys didn't subscribe my channel, please go for it. I will make sure I will provide 1-2 videos every week, especially on game development, and 1-2 video on website development as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys with a new video soon.